Oh, that car stinks.
Yeah, I'm burning it.
That thing stinks, man.
Huh?
That car stinks. You probably roasted to whatever differential it had.
Nah. I just it was getting the burnout. You see?
I smell it. What do you think? Should we hit it now, or should we just let the ice melt sit out there? Yeah, let that ice melt sit out there. By the morning, hopefully it'll be cleared up.
This ain't gonna let up.
You wasted on it?
Yeah, that's it. I only had a half a thing.
Yeah, it was burning
make
out
your
right
snowman?
there.
Yeah, I'm gonna make it.
Let's go.